2, 3.
Keeping my hand on the tee.
Nice and smooth.
There you go.
That's perfect, Jose. Keep that bottom, okay? Hey, nothing changes
Go.
our routine.
Go.
Go.
Whistle, get ready. Whistle to whistle.
Young guys, pay attention.
Young guys, pay the hell
attention.
Here we go, ready.
Here we go. Ready. Extend my elbows, pop them. Lock them elbows out. Shoot my hands. Good. All right, reset it. Now.
Ready. On ball, move. Good. I don't care who you are. I'm going to do every one of you. Ready. On Buck. Let's go, Buck. Good, Buck. Good, Buck. Good, Buck. Buck, good. It ain't damn rocket science for you older guys. I'm here working.
It's 7:28. We'll have extra 2 minutes for the first two. All right. Keep your feet wide. Keep your feet wide. Good. Ready! Crack the hip, crack the hip.
Low. Now, there we go. That's it. That's exactly.
All right, go. Good. See how we wind up? See how we wind up? Good. Haber, that's it.
Eagle. Woo!
Yeah.
3, 1, 2, 3. Eagles!
Good work. Let's go. Go get it. Quick.
There you go. Head on a swivel. You're getting around to find the